NASA is downplaying the latest findings on Mars by the Curiosity rover in the build-up to an event at the American Geophysical Union. A NASA project scientist says the data they'll reveal will be one for the history books. Mark New has our story.
We did some internal sandblasting.
The statement, one for the history books, fueled public speculation that the rover Curiosity had found signs of life. So when NASA scientists finally took to the stage, nothing could quite match the expectations for SAM, the sample analysis at Mars, an instrument that takes up half of Curiosity's weight.
Let me start off by saying SAM has no definitive detection to report of organic compounds.
But what Curiosity did is use its full array of instruments to analyze Martian soil for the first time ever. The rover went to work on what's called Gale Crater. It dug 5 times into a drift of windblown dust and sand there called Rock Nest.
I expect a lot on that there would be like this Earth on this life on Mars, but actually expected a bit more.
Project scientist John Grotzinger is the man who made the one for the history books comment. He admits he needs to be more cautious with his words.
You know, we're doing science at the speed of science. We live in a world that's sort of at the pace of Instagrams. And, you know, the enthusiasm that we had, that I had, that our whole team has, I think was just misunderstood.
Something that is building on everything that we've had in the past. That, to me, is the exciting part. The suite of instruments available on Curiosity is unprecedented.
To some, the findings are groundbreaking, to others, just plain boring. But when you think about it, Curiosity essentially landed on an ancient riverbed, took more than 11,000 photos of Mars, and discovered a compound that contains both chlorine and carbon. Grotzinger also says the exploration doesn't really get into full gear until next year, when Curiosity packs it up and heads to its true scientific destination, the enormous Mount Sharp. Mark New, CCTV, San Francisco.